The negotiations for the 2025-2029 CBA are currently at the preparatory stage. SRC has already issued the negotiating beacons, those are the parameters required to guide the negotiations between the universities and staff unions. In anticipation of these guidelines, the University Forum had convened an initial negotiation sessions from 19th of September 2025 and Saturday 20th September 2025. Although WASU did not attend the initial meetings, they have indicated their readiness to participate once the beacons are provided by SRC as stipulated in their letter of 16th of September 2025. KUDEA, on the other hand, have confirmed and have complied with the court order and are ready to proceed with the talks in earnest. The substantive negotiations for the 2025-2029 CBA cycle are therefore expected to resume from the 6th of October 2025.
I would like to inform you that the ministry is actively working towards the successful transition of the first cohort of the competency-based education learners to senior school in 2026. To support this, a range of regulations and procedures have been developed to effectively guide the transition process. I therefore urge you to continue in reorienting secondary school teachers towards competency-based education to prepare them to receive the first CB cohort in 2026.